What's up, guys? It's a shrimp dish, so if you have shellfish allergies, you don't like seafood, you don't like shrimp, it's probably not the recipe for you. So watch if you want. I hope you do. Say eat this. Eat this. Yum. I said it's a shrimp dish that I'm going to serve over Spanish rice, Mexican rice. There was a debate. You can see all about that debate. You can see how I make my Mexican rice right there. Easy, tasty. Put a little bit of this shrimp over the top of it, maybe a little shredded jack cheese, some chopped up cilantro. Boom! Good stuff. Good stuff. So let me show you. It's really easy. Shrimp cooks really fast in case you don't know. All you need is an onion. We're going to use about half this onion. Yellow onion, white onion. Don't necessarily recommend red onion for this. 1 bell pepper. Some garlic cloves, however much garlic you like. Mine are kind of small, so I'm going to be doing about 5 of them. You need some olive oil. You need some butter. You need some cumin. Always the cumin, right? Salt and pepper. And I'm going to use chipotle peppers this time. I've really been liking the chipotle peppers a lot with the adobo sauce. So I'm going to use that instead of jalapeno. If you want to use jalapeno, chop it up. You don't have to use any peppers if you don't want to. It'll be less spicy. Let's get going on. I'm going to do it outdoor on the grills because it's weather's getting nice. Sun's going down a little earlier, as you can probably tell. So try to get this done before run out of sunlight. I'm already kind of running out of sunlight, but let me get some stuff chopped up and we'll get going. Now we're ready. Cheers. A little bit of butter, a little bit of oil. Once your butter's melted, we're going to start with our garlic. Get that going a little bit. Toss in our onions, our bell pepper. Two chopped up chipotle peppers with a little bit of the adobo sauce. And yes, it's from a can. And I'm good with that. Season it with some cumin. Yes, I like cumin. And some salt and pepper. Gonna season up about 1 pound of shrimp. A little bit of salt and pepper. I found shrimp on sale, so I might be doing a lot of shrimp over the next couple weeks. I don't know, we'll see. A little salt and pepper, and of course a little more cumin. And when I say a little, I mean a lot. Our veggies have been grilling for just about 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Toss our shrimp up. And we'll toss them in there, mix them around with all the flavors, introduce the shrimp to the pepper. Those won't take long at all. What we're going to do ultimately is just let them sit for a little bit, like maybe 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes tops. We're going to flip them. We're waiting for them to be pink and opaque. They're done. Pop them in your mouth. Eat this. Cocktail dessert. That's all there is to this one. Get it off whatever kind of burner you're doing. You can do it stovetop if you want. Like I said, the weather's just getting nice, so I wanted to get out here on the grill. That's what we got, perfect little Chipotle shrimps. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day. Subscribe if you like what you're seeing. If you're using a cast iron skillet on your grill, make sure you got a glove. Share it with your friends, give us a like, comment down below. Like to hear from you, especially if you tried the dish. Eat this. Almost forgot that. Eat this. Have a great day. Don't overcook your shrimp either. You don't want that. 3, 4, 5 minutes tops. Good stuff.